A river cuts through rock not because of its power, but because of its persistence. Jim Watkins. Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching Grammaring, English grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss a new word, cringe. Cringe. Cringe is a verb. Verb means an action word. You can pronounce this word as cringe. Pronunciation for G is cringe. Cringe. Now, let us look at the meaning for the word cringe. Cringe means to move back or away from somebody because you are afraid. Another meaning for cringe is to feel ashamed or embarrassed by what someone else is doing or saying. There is a phrase called cringe comedy. Cringe comedy. Cringe comedy means comedy involving jokes that make people uncomfortable. It is called cringe comedy. So, the meaning for cringe is if you cringe at something, you feel embarrassed or disgusted and perhaps show this feeling in your expression or by making a slight movement. Now, we are moving on to the usage of the word cringe. How to use the word in a sentence? Look at this sentence. The boy is cringing in terror. It means the boy is moving back in terror, moving away from someone or something because he is afraid. Number 2. Joan had cringed at the thought of using her own family for publicity. It means Joan felt ashamed or embarrassed by the thought of using her own family for publicity. So far in this class, we have discussed the meaning and usage of the word cringe. Cringe means to move back or away from somebody or something because you are afraid, or to feel ashamed or embarrassed by what someone else is doing or saying. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.